Hello guys, welcome to a new unboxing episode, and today we will unbox Huawei P8. Let's cut this plastic. Okay, as you can see, this box looks very nice. It's a plastic box. So let's see what we have inside. Okay, very nice. I'm gonna put this phone aside and let's see what we have in the first box. Okay, some Huawei stickers, a quick start manual guide, and warranty card. In the second box we have power adapter with, I think, output power of 1 ampere, which means that will fully charge your phone in about 2.5 hours. Yeah, 1 ampere. And we also have micro USB cable and earphones. Okay, so let's take a look at the device itself. I have to say, this device feels and looks very premium in my hand. I'm gonna take this plastic off and let's see what we have on the right side of the phone. We have volume up and down button, we have power button, and we have SIM card slot and micro SD card slot. There's nothing on the left side. At the top we have microphone and headphone jack. At the bottom we have stereo speakers and charging port. On the back side, 13 megapixel camera with dual flash, full metal body. On the front side, 5.2 inch 1080p display and 8 megapixel front facing camera. It comes in 4 different colors: titanium gray and mystic champagne for 16GB model, and carbon black and prestige gold for 64GB model. Under the hood we have 2.0 GHz octa-core 64-bit processor with 3GB of RAM, and for this model 16GB internal storage. Thank you for watching. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.